In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on or off enhanced visual search in Photos on iPhone. So I'm starting right from the iPhone home screen, and the first thing I'm doing here is opening up the Settings app. Once Settings is open, I'm going to scroll down through the main list until I find Apps. There are a lot of options in this menu, so just keep moving down at a steady pace until Apps shows up, and once you see it, go ahead and tap on it. Now I'm inside the apps section, and from here I need to get to the Photos settings. Since this is a full list of apps, I'm going to scroll down again until I find Photos. It may take a second, depending on where you are in the list, so just keep scrolling until Photos appears. Once I see it, I'll tap on Photos, and that opens the settings for the Photos app. Alright, now that I'm in the photo settings, the next part is to scroll down toward the bottom of this page. The option we're looking for is called Enhanced Visual Search, and it's lower down in the menu, so I'm just continuing to scroll until I reach that area. As I get closer to the bottom, I'm watching for that exact setting name so I don't skip past it. Once I find Enhanced Visual Search, this is where you can turn it on or turn it off. You'll see the toggle right next to it, and all you need to do is tap that switch once. If the setting is currently off and you want it enabled, tap the toggle so it switches on. If it's already on and you want to disable it, tap the same toggle so it switches off. That's the only thing you need to change here. As soon as you tap the switch, the setting updates right away. There's no extra button to press, no save option, and no confirmation prompt on this one. The toggle itself is the setting, so once it moves to the position you want, the change has already been applied. I usually pause for a second just to make sure the switch is showing the correct state, and once that looks right, you're done. So the full path here is pretty simple once you've seen it. You open settings, scroll down and tap apps, scroll down again and tap photos, then go down toward the bottom of the photo settings until you find enhanced visual search, and then tap the toggle to switch it on or off. That's the whole process from start to finish. The only part that really takes a moment is the scrolling, since both the main settings page and the apps list can be a little long. But once you're inside Photos, you're just heading down to the lower part of that menu and changing the one setting. So as long as you follow that same path and take it one screen at a time, it's very straightforward. At this point, with the toggle set the way you want, you can back out of settings whenever you like. Your iPhone keeps the change automatically, so there's nothing else you need to do after that. Whether you turned enhanced visual search on or turned it off, the adjustment is already saved. And that's it. That's how you turn on or off enhanced visual search in Photos on iPhone using the Settings app. Just follow that same exact path and you'll be able to change the setting in a few quick taps.